squirrels coming.
I'm doing it.
Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And I've got guest appearance yet again, Tool Girl Sarah. She's back from her adventures. How did you get on?
Lots of sunshine for once. It's pouring rain now, so I got out just in time.
You brought the crappy weather back with you, didn't you?
Yeah, go
Yeah.
Canada.
I'm outside fixing a car at the moment. There's a video to go up on that, and I got soaking wet. I'm under the carport, but all the rain runs in onto the concrete, and you're lying on your back, and it's not fun. So tell us about your trip. What did you do?
I went down to Whanganui, and I ended up going through Desert Road to come on the way back to Auckland. I think my favorite part of the whole trip was Desert Road, definitely. It was the middle of nowhere, and it was just vast expanse of nothing. Something about that was so fantastic. I don't know why I love it.
Pretty desolate out there, isn't it?
I enjoyed it. I just wanted to go. I'm like, I can just walk anywhere. It was so cool.
Did you see Mount Ruapehu with the snow on it?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
That's
yeah,
pretty
it
cool.
was
You
beautiful.
can go up there, you know. There's a ski centre and stuff up there.
Oh, I didn't know.
So you know that you'll be up there one day.
I'll have to check it out.
Skiing probably, and things, and falling and hurting yourself. So let's give you an update. So that's an update on Tool Girl Sarah and her mission. She survived, and how many Ks did you cover in the end?
I think I got about 1,500 in, actually.
1,500 kilometres.
I think, yeah, it went from 200 to about 1,700.
That bike needs a service. ASAP. All right. Okay, well, I'm really glad to have you back. It's great to be back in the workshop again, because I was getting really bored all on my own. I hate being on my own. It's weird, isn't it? I used to work on my own all the time, and now I need company.
Of course, you need tool girls.
I need tool girls. That's my excuse anyway. Okay, so we've made a little bit of progress on the bike. No repairs yet have been made, but we have got some parts in stock. Steering head bearings, I'm doing those because I don't feel right sending it out the way it is. It's only going to get worse. So we have some all balls. There you are, look, all balls steering head bearings, and that's the part number. So if you need any, that's the part number you need. And I believe it's the same frame on these bikes from 1999 to 2006, going by my research, because I've done a bit of research now. Okay, so head bearings. We've got, I'm hoping it's the right one, a flasher relay from KiwiX. That's a New Zealand company, and that should slow down the flash rate on those flashers once we get them all working properly. And there's a new front disc on its way. Should be here Wednesday. Rear discs ordered online. That should be here. Well, we don't know. That could be the last thing to arrive because it's coming from the States. It's following you across. A couple of weeks. Worst case scenario. But when you fit in new brake discs, as you well know, people, you've got to fit new brake pads. You can't use the old ones. So we've got two sets of fronts. There we go. Look, two sets of fronts and a set of rears. And like I said before, I've got friends in very, very low places, so we got these pretty damn cheap. Now, going on to just talk about money and stuff, and the fact that this whole project of getting the bike legal for New Zealand roads it's a bit of a shock to how much it's going to cost, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't expect any of the prices I had to pay. I just kind of knew shipping, a little bit of import fees, and then
ride it from the
who knows what
docks.
else.
Off we go. Who needs a number plate anyway? Yeah.
I was like, New Zealand doesn't need insurance.
No, insurance you don't need. That's the one thing you don't need, but everything else you do. And okay, so we found a few mechanical issues with the bike, which we can fix. That's not an issue. It's not a variable. It's a fact. It's going to be fixed. Perfect. And prepared for the trip. But the other costs, you've got certification process. It's about $600. Then you've got your road tax to pay for. It's quite involved. So probably all up, I hate to say this, but Sarah's going to have to find probably another $1,000 to $1,500 around that sort of mark to get this vehicle back on the road here legally in New Zealand. The only other option, if she didn't want to go down that track, which reduces the cost but only marginally, is to bring it in as a temporary import. But it means after 12 months she can't ride it anymore, and that's a bit silly really, because you want to be able to ride it forever, don't you? Really? It's your bike. So we're going to go for full certification, proper New Zealand number plate, the works. And a good friend of ours, where did I put my piece of paper? Just grab that piece of paper over there, look. Oh, I've got a steel splinter in my hand. Okay. So a bit of a surprise came through the other day. I'll let Sarah tell you all about it. So I'm going to just pop outside for a minute because I've got to check some stuff on that car. I've got to order some more parts. So there you go.
Okay.
That is the gentleman's name. It's the gentleman that actually had another surprise for you. So there you go. It's all yours. I'll see you in a few minutes, all right?
Sounds good.
Feel free to entertain the people.
Of course. Alright, we're all alone. Hello. Okay, so, excuse my hair today. It was pouring rain, so I used a little zip tie. Check that out. Tour girl Sarah getting creative. So, I have been informed from the channel that we have some viewers, and I have been given a little donation for the trip and fixing my bike and getting on the road. So I just wanted to say a really, really big thank you. Randy McLaughlin, I believe is how you pronounce that. Sorry if it's wrong. I just want to say a really, really big thank you. Thank you. I appreciate all the support and love. This is a fully self-funded trip. And I mean, just to bring my bike here, it cost more than what the actual value of the bike is. But I mean, being it's a 99, you can't really count the value anyways. It's kind of a nostalgic piece, and it's definitely my favorite bike I've ever ridden, and I've had a few rides. So I would say the Gixxer 99 is the best. I just would love to say thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really does help the trip. It helps my expenses. It really helps get this bad boy on the road sooner. I'm kind of funding the trip just dancing throughout bar to bar, and I, don't work all the time, so my income's kind of inconsistent, and I can appreciate all the help that I can get. It makes such a big difference. And I just wanted to do a quick little cheeky thank you note and just give you a little bit of a example of what I mean by from the bottom of my heart. Just a little surprise, just one more. We're gonna give you the left one here because that's where the real heart is, right? So thank you. That's my little cheeky, much love.
Holy shit, what have I let myself in for? Christ. You're a nightmare, woman.
Trouble.
Trouble with a capital T, I reckon. Puts all the other tool girls, they all pale into insignificance now that you're here. Seriously. I thought they were hard to manage, but jeez. Okay, crew, well, I hope you enjoyed Sarah's little story. There's going to be lots more updates, I'm sure, with tool girl Sarah now on board and the catalogue of repairs that I need to do on her bike. So we're going to be seeing a lot more of her in the workshop. Actually, I quite think she quite likes it here, I reckon.
That's fun. I like the tools.
And we fixed your car as well today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. We put a little cigarette lighter thing in there. That's
right, because the original cigarette lighter socket on the car stopped working and it's pouring down the rain outside. I've already got a car under the carport, so I'm outside in the rain with the multimeter trying to work out which fuse is blown because, of course, the fuse box is in bloody Japanese, so I couldn't understand anything on there, so I had to test every single fuse. Turns out we found a blown fuse, found the problem, put a new fuse in, didn't fix it. So this time around, just to get the problem solved, we put a new cigarette lighter socket on like a little pod on the dashboard, wired straight to the battery, so now Sarah can charge up all her stuff even with the ignition turned off. So it's a bit of an upgrade, isn't it? Oh,
absolutely.
And there's 3 sockets, so you can charge up
sockets,
heaps of stuff. Yeah, pretty good. That's all right. That's what I do, isn't it? I fix stuff. Okay, crew. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. You'll also find me on
Facebook, Instagram, Google, and Twitter.
You sure will.
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. And we do have a Patreon account as well. Patreon page. Drop onto there if you want.
Donations are always accepted.
Yeah, but only if you can afford it, guys. Don't send stuff through that you can't afford because that's not what it's all about.
Sell your underwear for me.
That's a terrible thought.
$30 a pair.
Jesus Christ. Okay, before it gets too more X-rated, I'm going to sign it off. So yeah, see you around, crew. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Over and out. Hey, tool girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tall Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool girl shirt, perfect.